Hello everyone. In this video, I will discuss about a job notification from UPSC. UPSC published the notification for Combined Geoscientist Examination 2022. The last date for submission of applications is 12th October 2021. Okay. The allotment of centers will be on the first apply, first allot basis. Okay. There is plan of examination. The combined geoscientist examination will consist of three successive stages. In first stage, there will be a preliminary objective type having two papers for selection of the candidates for combined geoscientist main examination. Marks secured in the preliminary examination will be counted for the deciding the final merit, and there will be negative marking. In stage the stage 2 will be combined geoscientist main examination, which is descriptive type, and after that the stage 3 is personality test or interview. Examination centers will be Bhopal, Chennai, Delhi, Dispur, Hyderabad, Kolkata, Lucknow, Mumbai and Simla. There is post for geologist group 1, group A, 100 post, and for geophysicist group A, 50 posts, and for chemist group A it is 20 posts. So there is a great opportunity for the candidates who have MSc in physics and chemistry and geology. There is also the category 2 post in the Central Groundwater Board, Ministry of Jal Shakti, Department of Water Resources, River Development and Ganga Rejuvenation. Scientist B post, hydrogeology, group A. The total number of posts is 20. For scientist B, chemical, group A, total number of posts is 1, and scientist B, geophysicist. The group A, the total number of posts is 1, and there is no vacancies for PWBD candidates. Okay. Now coming to the sections. Eligibility conditions. The candidate must be a citizen of India or Nepal or Bhutan. A Tibetan refugee who came over the India before 1st January 1962. You can follow the notification. Coming to the age limits. For geologist, geophysicist and chemist, Geological Survey of India, an attached office of Ministry of Mines, Government of India, the candidate must have attained the age of 21 years and must not have attained the age of 32 years on the first day of the month of January of the year in which the examination is to be held, that is 1st January 2022. And for scientist B, hydrogeology, scientist B, chemical, and scientist B, geophysics, group A, in Central Groundwater Board, Ministry of Water Resources, the age limit must have attained the age of 21 years and must not have attained at the age of 32 years. You can follow the link, follow the notification thoroughly. You have to pay 200 rupees if you are a general candidate or EWS or OBC candidate. Female, SC, ST and persons with benchmark disability are exempted from payment of fee. Okay. You can follow the notification for how can you apply for the posts. Last date of submission of application is 12th October 2021. You can follow the notification thoroughly. I will give the link in the description. You can withdraw your application. There is in appendix 1 plan of examination. You can follow the notification for this, and the syllabus is given. You can follow the notification for the syllabus for different posts, and in this notification the syllabus of prelims and the syllabus of mains both are given. I will give the link of the notification in the description box of the video. So you can subscribe my channel for new job updates and further updates.